Government's been extremely supportive in the schemes and the incentive schemes that the government has laid out, whether it be the PLI, the production linked incentives, or the FAME2 schemes. So the only ask that we have as an industry is to have a uniform GST, and 18% GST is what we're looking for. So the only ask that we have as an industry is to have a uniform GST, and 18% GST is what we're looking for, because today we have different slabs of GST and we'd like to have a uniform GST. That's really our ask. We're very pleased with the schemes and the incentives that the government is providing. In terms of PLI, in terms of FAME2, so it's going well. And the industry has to leverage this. Last year, our revenue grew to $56.5 billion, which is pre-pandemic levels. In the first half of this year, we've already clocked $33 billion in terms of sales and $10.1 billion in exports. So we're doing well as an industry. I hope this trend continues. Of course, we will see challenges with regard to the conflict in Europe, which has already impacted schedules. There is a talk of a US recession, maybe for a quarter or 2 quarters, and that will impact some schedules when it comes to the US. However, the domestic market is growing, and we're very bullish on the fact that we should see the similar growth as we did last year. PLI schemes, 67 companies from the auto component sector have been approved. The minimum requirement is 250 crores of investment per company over the next 5 years, which puts us in 18,000 crore investment over the next 5 years as a minimum for the 67 companies that are really applied or approved for the PLI scheme. We're looking at that as minimum, so there will be a lot of investment in those terms. And again, it's too soon to say at the moment. We need to run the PLI scheme, we need to do the value addition, we need to get the benefit from there, and then we'll see how it pans out. However, the government is very focused on pushing future technologies and has been very supportive of the industry, and I'm pretty certain that if we require more money as and when we require it, for the right reasons in terms of investing in future technologies and localization, which reduces dependence on imports, the government will be willing to help us. Anything that will help with demand creation is always welcome. So if you look at taxes as a whole, if you look at taxes on vehicles, taxes on EVs, on ICE, etc., anything that will help demand is always welcome in our industry or in any industry. So we hope that we hope to see something in that area. If it were to come, we'd be happy with that.